This week, we are going to look at bankruptcy for better or worse. And it is not what you might think of as a pleasant topic. However, it is a reality of the business world. And if you look at it more broadly, then you can see that bankruptcy serves a very important purpose. And really, it's an opportunity rather than a failure. And when I say that, there's different kinds of bankruptcy, and you're going to see that there's a Bankruptcy Act. It's there really to protect people and to give them a second chance so they can start over. And so we're going to see what are the rules of bankruptcy and what is the way in which we do it that will really be most beneficial for all concerned. And I say all concerned because really what we're talking about are debtors, which are the people who owe the money, right? And creditors, the ones to whom that money is owed. And so the Bankruptcy Act is set to make a balance that you could then be able to have everyone have something going forward. And as I said, go on to live another day in your business. So that is an important thing to learn about before it's necessary so that you could take the proper steps to protect yourself. And hopefully, none of you will be going through it yourself. But, in today's world of uncertainty, it's always good to be prepared and to know about things, whether you'll need them or not. Think of it as an insurance policy, which, of course, will be then another chapter that we'll be doing. So let's look at the Bankruptcy Act, the procedures, and when and how to use this to help yourself and your business. And I was going to say enjoy, but it isn't quite appropriate for this topic. I would say learn and learn to use it wisely.